Africa is changing, cities are growing, dreams are rising, but the path to owning a home can still feel far. You're living abroad, you're saving, planning, dreaming of your place back home, but real estate feels complicated. Who can you trust? Where do you start? At Remax Real Estate Network, we're making real estate simpler, smarter, and fully digital, designed for people just like you. We offer virtual consultations, relocation guides, and home buying support, whether you're in Rwanda or anywhere in the world. We don't just help you find the right property, we help you live in it better. From due diligence to legal advisory, we work with certified partners to protect your investment. No guesswork, no shortcuts. Hundreds of diaspora clients have trusted us because we don't just sell property, we deliver peace of mind. Remax Real Estate Rwanda. Aho ubuzima bwiza butangirira mu mitungo itimukanwa. Visit our website, Rwanda Real Digitally Home.Lovable app, real estate reimagined for Africa and beyond.